we're on the right track. It's great that there were no community positive cases. They're all in isolation. So that is actually great news to hear. So I hope we're heading in the right direction. Looks like we are, and hopefully some of the restrictions will be eased over the next few days.
One of the things you are concerned about, though, is the direction we're heading in with the mRNA vaccine. You believe Australia should be producing its own and not relying for shipments to be coming in. Why do you think that's so critical?
Well, it's very important to have our own locally manufactured, so we could get on top of it and get most of the people injected in Australia. At the moment, Australia's fallen behind. Only 13% have been vaccinated. Out of 38 OECD countries, we are last in the number of vaccines that have been administered. So it will just fast track the production and the injections of our people.
We're learning, though, of more deals being done, of millions of doses coming in. The Pfizer, 1 million a week at the moment. Do you think that can't be relied upon? Is that your worry, or is it as we see different variants, we're looking for even more booster shots?
Well, we need to vaccinate all our population, or as much of our population as we can. And then the ones that have already been vaccinated, they'll be ready for the booster injection. So we need to have ample stock of or production of the vaccine locally as well. That will help. With the booster injection.
What's involved with trying to do it ourselves here?
Well, we need special clean laboratories. So to make a vaccine, you cannot just make it in the general lab that researchers work in. You need a special clean laboratory, and it has to have certain temperature, certain airflow, humidity, etc. So, and they're sterile labs. So that's what costs most of the money, is these sterile, clean labs. Once one of these labs are working, up and functioning, then the production doesn't take very long. It's quite easy, and within a few weeks you could have ample amount of vaccine available or production happening. So it's the facility that costs the most of the money.